and all the harm ere I ever done. Alas, it was to none but me.
It's perfect.
Oh,
I know we're all exhausted, but we gotta push just a little bit more. Say it again! Weapons, food, medicine. We have to go in there, hand to hand. This prison is ours. Someone's coming.
Rick's gotten us a lot further than I ever thought he would.
2, found them hiding in the woods. At the gates in 5 minutes.
It's secure?
This cell block is.
What about the rest of the prison?
What is this place?
Stay tight, hold formation. Anyone breaks ranks, we could all go down. Anyone runs off, they could get mistaken for a walker.
We want our weapons.
2 against the world. That's long odds.
Go back! Go back! Go back! Come on! Keep moving! Let's go this way! This way!
Hey, you can't keep us here. We haven't done anything!
It's on! Open the door!
You're not prisoners here, you're guests. Welcome to Woodbury. Hard to believe you ladies lasted so long out there.
I don't trust him.
You're
not a killer, and I know that. All we do is run.
What you have here, you're sitting pretty at the end of the world.
How many of you escaped?
There were more. I was separated from the rest of them.
Do whatever you gotta do to keep this group safe.
We're going out there and we're taking back what's ours.
I'm not giving up this prison. We took it, it's ours. We spilled blood. Come on!
We gotta get out of here.
Who the hell are you? If we see you out here, anywhere near our people, I'll kill you.
Now, how's about a big hug for your old pal, Merle? Huh?